Hello there. For today's video, I just want to do something simple. Use this piece of steel. It's about 7 inches long, and this piece of copper, which is about double that length, to just make a simple hook that will make my wife happy. So I want to twist these together, and so it's good to do a mock-up. You can see the copper is a smaller diameter than the steel. I think this old twisting tool for rounds will work. I put this steel underneath because the copper will be free floating and I want to keep it at a certain height. I want to thank Nikolai Teleguin for becoming my latest Patreon supporter. Thanks very much. So I'll first soften the copper, and you do that by heating and then quenching, the opposite of steel. Now I've got the steel in the forge. Clamping tightly on the steel made it so that I can't fit the copper inside the vise. So I'll have another go at this. With stuff like this that I seldom do, I mostly never know what the outcome is going to be, and that's what makes it fun. I went just a little bit too far and I heard a snap, so I'm assuming that the copper broke. Sure enough, broke right there, but I'll see if I can salvage it. I need to give a shout out to two guys for their recent donations. They are Damian McNeely and Jerry S. Hodges. No matter how goofy my videos can be at times, there's a lot of time invested, and so this type of generosity is really appreciated. Thanks, fellas. I decide to just remove that broken end and work with it from there. You can see the copper glowing brightly. Need to be careful not to overheat. So that's kind of the effect I want to go for with this hook. The contrast of the quenched copper on the steel. I didn't really need to use my bending jig for that little eye, but why not? You can keep doing this, heating the copper to different temperatures and cooling it at different rates to get different colors, purples, orange, greenish colors, but that'll do for now. I normally keep my bananas in this bowl and they seem to always get bruised. So here's the finished hook, keeping the bananas in a more natural upright position. That's all for now, folks. Catch you guys next time.